Okay, so we're gonna be doing the double crossbar challenge. The top bar is worth 3 points, and the other bar is worth 2. Yeah, grand point, I guess. Yeah.
So as you can tell, the wind was pretty bad that day. So right now I'm just gonna explain the challenge. So that bottom bar is gonna be worth 2 points, and the top one is gonna be worth 3. And you just gotta hit it and gain as many points as you can, and that's pretty much it. Back with the video.
Hit 3 points.
You won't get away.
I'll take 6.
Something.
Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss.
How many is that?
I won't quit the elephants. Rolling with elephants. Rolling.
So this is what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna do the woodwork challenge, but it's gonna be a little different. So we're gonna rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to pick which net they can choose. So for example, Miguel wins, and he picks the bottom net. I'm gonna have to go for the top, and whoever gets it first will win all 3. Alright? I'm more of a top bins kind of thing, so I'll go for the bigger net. Alright, let's go. Okay. Okay, I meant to go for that left post, but whatever.
One eternity later.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah!
I said, oh my, look at those eyes.
Just like that. Done.
That counted.
No, that didn't
That
hit.
hit.
That didn't
Did
hit.
you not hear that?
That didn't hit.
That hit. No, that hit.
That didn't
You
hit.
couldn't hear it. Don't cheese me out.
No way did I hit.
It's over 9,000!
Wrong post, mate.
This.
It went like
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg. I've been really trying, baby.
That was clean. Did you boom boom? Did you boom boom? Did you boom boom? Did you boom boom? Did you boom boom?
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class!
Bro, just go, bro. Right now, hurry up. Hold on, do it. Yeah. Oh my god.
Just like that. Done. Just like that. Done. Just like that. Done.